Hello guys, welcome. We are continuing to introduce and learn how to use AI tools or ChatGPT in Microsoft Excel. In today's tutorial, we are going with AI.LIST. If you need to show some information in a list in Excel, simply you can use AI.LIST. In first step, click into the cell in which you want to appear your result, type equal AI.LIST, and then what you want to show in a list, top 10 universities in the world, close the bracket, hit enter. Wait a while. As you can see here, Excel come up with the top 10 universities in the world. If you would like to know more about AI tools in Excel, check the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.